Most people get this wrong when searching for reward apps with fast payouts. They assume every app that says instant cash will actually send money within minutes. But here's the truth no one tells you. Even the fastest payout apps still have rules, minimum thresholds, and verification steps before you can cash out. In this video, you'll learn the top 5 reward apps with the fastest payout in 2026, how quickly they actually pay, and what mistakes to avoid so you don't get stuck waiting for rewards that never arrive. Let's jump right in. First is Mistplay. This is one of the most reliable reward gaming apps for Android users. You earn points by playing games and redeem them for gift cards. The payout speed is usually fast once you hit the minimum threshold. A user named Jake from Michigan reported receiving gift cards within a few days after redeeming. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second app is Swagbucks. This platform is known for fast PayPal and gift card withdrawals. You can earn through games, surveys, and offers. Once you reach payout minimums, many users receive rewards within 24 to 72 hours depending on verification. Third is Inbox Dollars. This app is similar to Swagbucks but often gives slightly higher cash rewards for tasks. The payout process is straightforward and PayPal transfers are usually completed within a few days after approval. Alex, a casual user from Texas, combined small daily tasks and reached multiple payouts in a single month. Fourth is Cash Giraffe-style reward apps. These apps focus on quick micro-rewards for playing mobile games. The earnings are small, but payout thresholds are low, which makes them feel faster. But here's the catch. You need consistent activity to reach withdrawal limits. Fifth is skills-based gaming apps with cash tournaments. These apps offer real money competitions with instant or near-instant withdrawals depending on the platform. However, your speed depends on whether your account is verified and whether you win matches. Now, let's be real. Even the fastest payout apps are not instant income machines. Most delays happen due to verification, payment processing, or regional restrictions. Also, payout speed can vary by country and payment method. PayPal is usually faster than gift cards or bank transfers. So, here's the simple takeaway. The fastest reward apps exist, but they still require patience, consistency, and realistic expectations. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of apps that actually work in 2026. Thanks.